Hey guys, this is Mike from Door and Lock Tips. I'm standing in the most coolest shop. Now they're working on my beautiful key truck today. They're trying to solve the rattle from hell. But in the interim time, I'm having the time of my life. And you guys know what I mean. When do you get to stand in a building that's over 100 years old? They have equipment like this. They're washing something. I don't know. It's pretty big. They have all kinds of stuff. I mean, seriously, unbelievable. And that's all they work on is monster trucks. I mean, monster trucks. And they're working on my key truck. And they're going to solve that rattle from hell underneath my key truck. They don't care what it takes. They bought all kinds of goodies, and I'm gonna keep you posted because I gotta get rid of that rattle. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more door and lock fun tips like this with these little outings. You know, field trips when you were a kid. That's what I feel like. I'm in a field trip, but I'm still a kid. So please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, and we'll have more good stuff. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wow. When do you get to see equipment like this? Now, this building is 100 years old in the oldest part of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. These vices, this anvil, I've never seen an anvil like this. You know, you go online, you can see all kinds of anvils. I never saw one like that. And look at that. They make their own jack stands. Who does this? Welding. Look at the welding on that. It's gorgeous. I'm telling you, these guys are the best. They're a spring shop, and they only work on monster trucks. And I get to bring my beautiful key truck down here. I feel so privileged to be in this place. It's like going to a museum. It's that much fun, guys. I know I don't get out much, but this is where I go when I go to have fun. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends I'll have more door and lock tips, and hopefully they'll fix my rattle from hell. Okay, we're here at the coolest garage in town, and I'm gonna get the shocks replaced on this bad boy, the rattle from hell. New grommets and all the fixins. I can't wait. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Look at this place. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Look at this place. Oh, this is so kick. This is so cool. How you doing, dude? Oh my goodness, look at him. He actually knows what he's doing. This is wonderful. I'm up in the office with the best guy on the planet, Carl. How you doing, buddy? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. 100-year-old building. Oh, this is heaven. Oh, I love it. And look at even the hardware. Even the hardware. Hey guys, so I'm in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I'm in heaven, I really am. I'm having my truck fixed by the best company. It's over 100 years old. The best company in the world. Everything I look at or see in this shop just makes me feel good. You know, how do you explain this place? It makes you feel good, and plus I get to have my truck worked on, my key truck. How many people get to have their key truck worked on by the best in the world? This place right here at Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I have more door and lock tips coming your way. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, and we'll have more fun videos like this coming your way. Please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, for more fun videos like this. Subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, for more fun videos like this.
That's where it is.
Oh, that's crazy cool. There you go. So cool.